Okay, we're down here with a 482 Berkshire by Rivarossi. I don't believe the 482 is sorry, 284 is a Berkshire. I think if it was a 482, it would be a Mountain. Now we've taken the top off, and that's two screws. One was here, and one was there, which is very well hidden. And there they are. Now, the problem is she was running, then she slowed down. Not exactly sure why. So it was an electrical pickup, but you know what? Things get old. It does move freely, so that's very good. So let's see here. We can remove this. You might say, why? Well, just to see if in this 40, 50-year-old locomotive, if the grease is congealed into a paste. I don't want to really go crazy. I don't have to. Sometimes you have to. She wants to come out. There you go. There's a lot of loose grease on here. This is spinning super easily. So there is nothing wrong with this. And there's already a lot of oil. So I don't think it needs that. Again, I don't want to over lubricate it or just take it apart for no reason. She doesn't want to go back in. Oh, I see. There's that little weird thingamahoo in there. It's kind of interesting. Oh, wow. It barely grabs on this thing. It's kind of scary. So it's in there. And now we've got to twist this until it aligns. Oh, not doing it. Okay, so that should be this way. Okay, now we've got it kind of hooked up. Wow, easier said than done. See, it's wrong. Totally wrong. Okay, now it's aligned. It looks right. See that? Now it fit. Thank goodness. Let's put these jokers back in. Wow, there's way too much oil in here. But at this location, I'm not really worried about it. Okay, now, but this has no oil. What do I mean by that? The little axle on there. I want to use a very light oil. I don't want to use a heavy oil. And what's nearby? This is a little heavy. That's not really what I want. Let me see. This is what I want. Wire. Okay, we've got that. Now we're going to put it here. Like that. Okay. These are our leads. Power's off. But we're going to... You don't like clipping it either, but I'm going to... Yeah, this is not a good... Let's try it this way. I'm going to try it, but I don't like it. No, I just don't. Oh, this big piece of solder might work. We're just going to touch it. she's already going better. Let's reverse the flow. All right. It's not too bad. Let's see full power, how fast she goes. Oh, she stalled. Look at that. That's crazy. Now, why would that happen? The light goes and the motor dies. Let's go lower. Oh my gosh, look at that. At full power, she stalled. I don't understand it. Holy crow. This is something unusual. I think we're going to have to look at this motor. I bet it's filthy in there. Yep. Now we're going to have to take either replace the motor or open her up. Something's not right. All right, we'll be back. Thanks for watching. See if we can restore the old 284 Berkshire. Again, this is Bobby from Bobby's Hobbies, hoping you're enjoying the holiday season. And Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and whatever other holiday you might have, I hope you're enjoying it. Bye for now.